Good day everyone, this is grade 12 Life Science paper 2 multiple choice questions. Therefore now section A, various 1.1, various options are provided as possible answers to following questions. Choose the answer and write only the letter A to D next to the question number 1.1.1 to 1.1.9 in the answer book. Write 1.1.1. The base pairing in DNA was discovered by whom? It was discovered by Crick and Watson. Therefore now D, it is the correct option. Right. Therefore now 1.1.2, a gene code for the production of a gene code for the production of D. It is protein, right? So then now option D, it is the correct one. Protein. Gene codes for the production of a protein. Therefore now 1.1.3, which of the following is a characteristic of a stem cell? Right? Therefore now they can be able to stimulate to form any type of cell needed. D. Right, it is the correct option. So then when we're talking about a stem cell, they can be able to stimulate, or they can be stimulated, not be able, they can be stimulated to form any type of cell needed. So D, it is the correct option. Therefore now 1.1.4, the chances of having a female child in humans, it is B, 50%. So we have 50% chance, right? Therefore now 1.1.5, which one of the following is part of the reason why color blindness is more common in males than in females? So then now the allele for color blindness allele for color blindness is recessive and located on the X chromosome, right? So that's why the color blindness is more common in males than in females. It is because the allele for color blindness is recessive and it is located on the X chromosome. Right, therefore now 1.1.6, the DNA profile for four individuals are given below. Which individuals are possible members of the same family? Right, therefore now it is 1.1.6, so we can say Y, W and Z. So C can be the correct option because Y, W and Z, if you take a ruler and then now you try to match the strands, the DNA strands, therefore now Y, W and Z have more strands that are matching than X, right? So then that's why we're saying X, Y and Z, there's a high possibility that they are members from the same family. Therefore now 1.1.7, when two plants heterozygous for a characteristics are crossed, the expected ratio, it is what? It is 1.1.7. So the expected ratio, it is 3:1, right? It is A, 3:1. So then the dominant phenotype must be 3 and the recessive phenotype must be 1. Very good. So when the two plants of heterozygous for a characteristic are crossed, the expected ratio for dominant phenotype it is 3 and the recessive phenotype it is 1. Right, 1.1.8. The diagram below represents the structure of a chromosome at different stages of a meiosis cell division. So which one of the following chromosomes will be found in a cell during late anaphase 2? So then now it is 1.1.8. We know that S, which is C, right, will be found at the late anaphase, right? Late anaphase 2. Oh, not C, S, sorry. S is the one that is going to be found at the late anaphase 2. Therefore, now 1.1.9, the scientist who discovered the little foot. So then now he is the scientist who discovered little foot. Oh, he is Clark. I don't know how to pronounce it. It is Ron Clark, C, right? It is Ron Clark. He's the one who discovered Littlefoot. Therefore, if you want a full detailed session on life science, mathematics, and also physical science, please don't hesitate to WhatsApp or call the number on the description below. Thank you for watching.